Hi guys, this is Jennifer, and although I haven't decided on the name yet for my channel, I still wanted to make some videos. So I was actually watching Wendy Williams a few days back, and you know how she does her reviews for products. And so this was something that I was interested in. It's MIKO. This is a unboxing for a MIKO. MIKO. And really nice box. Stay grounded. Okay, so I'm excited. So on Wendy, they were saying that you could get it for whatever it was, 80% or something off. I don't remember. But I went on, I Googled it, and actually, this is really neat. It came up at Bed Bath and Beyond, right? For, I think Wendy, she was saying with her discount, it would be like $72. On sale for $72. I think I paid $72 in total with tax, and I can't remember if shipping was free or not. I don't think it was. But let's see what this is. This is a nice sealed envelope. And it says, it's nice. Activate your 2-year warranty in 30 seconds. It gives you a barcode, your relaxation guide. This also has a area where you can add oil on the pad of the oil tray. Lavender to calm, jasmine to elevate. And it just says, welcome to the family. Your MIKO Air Enhancer creates a cleaner, healthier, and more energizing environment for you to work and play in. We hope this simple daily pleasure inspires you to continue exploring the healing power of natural practices. MIKO. Okay. Then there's a board in here on top of the product that says, thank you. As a member of the MIKO family, you get to enjoy the perks, like quick returns and exchanges, a dedicated customer service rep, and updates about new products and offers. We're excited to have you with us. All you have to do is activate your warranty. Cool. Okay, so this is the actual unboxing. Okay, I'm a struggle. Struggle, buddy. Let's do this. Yep, the plastic. This is the product. And it's sleek in design, ready for aromatic fresh air. This is where it shows it's open. And this is where, of course, your plug is. And here are the little oil pads, I guess they were referring to. And let's see. We're going to plug this up. And we're going to check it out and see what this works with. We're plugging it up, guys. Let's see. I know I'm out of the frame, but let's see. Hold on. Please remove air filter from its packaging before use. Take this card off to start use. Okay. Guys, I am really not going for reading instructions. I don't like reading instructions for nothing. But I'm kind of a hands-on type person. So let's see. We have your air outlet, your aroma mode module, air intake, touch panel. This says filter cover. So it said that you needed to remove the filter. Okay, all right. This is the filter. Preparation before use. Take the filter out of the plastic bag. Install the filter that has removed the plastic bag into the machine after closing the filter cover. Turn back to lock it. Okay. Guys, we're going to put the filter in. And it doesn't appear to matter which way that it goes. Lock it the same way you locked it. Okay, got it. Okay. Now, install the aromatherapy box. It's already installed in the unit. This is where you put the aromatherapy. So I do have some. Hold on. I have a whole box of these that I got. Has lemon, eucalyptus, peppermint, tea rose, and lavender. But I already have another lavender open. So, please pay attention to the installation. Okay. Bear with me. Uh-oh. I think the safest way to do this, just do that. And now it's saturated. That will contain any mess you might make, because these oils can be a little messy. Okay, so let's pop this back in. Ooh, peppermint. So let's see. It's not coming on. Okay, I'm gonna be back.